Hey, if you're like me, then you're doing a little spring cleaning right now, and this message is for you. I put together my best home organization and cleaning tips in this month's blog. If you click the link below, it'll take you right to my website where you can read all 27 tactics on home organization and cleaning that'll keep your home in tip-top shape. And I also want to invite you to our Clear Out for a Cause event, May 20th, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. in Edina. An email will be out to you very soon, which will share what you can bring and what you can't bring. But we have a paper shredder, electronics recycler, and a dumpster for those other items that are broken and can't be donated. This year, ARC's Value Village is our cause, and they will be collecting your housewares and clothing that can be resold in their stores. Keep in mind, if you are in need of a housekeeper, a window washer, or a home organizer, then I would love to share with you my recommendations. I don't just help people buy and sell homes, I help them love the way that they live in their home as well. I'm Christy Biken with Coldwell Banker Realty, and that's how Christy moves you.